Finding your previous year's AGI in H&R Block online. Are you in need of your adjusted gross income AGI from your last year's for your tax purposes? Look no further. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to obtain your AGI from last year using H&R Block's resources. So let's dive in. Open your web browser and navigate to the following link. H&R Block AGI Retrieval Guide. Once the web page opens, read through the information provided to understand the process of obtaining your AGI last year's. Look for the section titled How do you get your AGI from last year? This section will provide you with step-by-step instructions. Typically, your AGI from last year can be found on line 11 of your IRS Form 1040 from previous years. If you have a copy of your previous year's tax return, locate Form 1040 and find line 11. If you have filed your tax electronically last year, then you can refer to the tax return transcript provided by the IRS. If you used H&R Block to file your taxes last year, you can access your previous year's tax return through the H&R Block account. Follow any additional instructions provided by the web page to access your AGI from last year's using H&R Block's resources. And this was everything you needed to know about finding your previous year's AGI in H&R Block. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.